this museum in Chablis. They have different items related to the oenology. I don't like to say anything bad about places, but this guy, it's cool. I'm getting better. They're opening at 1:30, and considering the what's time is 11:30, I think I'm gonna skip breakfast and have a nice lunch because it's already hot a little bit there. The morning was quite fresh, which is nice. So I'm heading to Chablis. It's my first birthday in France and I'm spending it alone at the moment. But in the evening I'm going to reunite it with my family. So this is entrance to Chablis. Probably nothing's going on at the moment because it's not the weekend. Positive side of when it's not busy in the village, you can park anywhere next to the house. You don't have to pay for parking spot. And just behind the flowers and trees there are old houses. Looks like 18th century, maybe a little bridge that is like from fairy tale. And this is a canal, and then you have small village literally there, and the market is there, but because it's Tuesday it's quiet. Look at these beautiful flowers. I think so. Last time we've been to the winery Camufis. I don't know, should I show actually? I don't like to say anything bad about places, but we saw like all over the window written English speaking. I came for tasting and spoke to Axel on English, and I didn't heard a word of English. Okay, let's choose something to eat. It's really hot, and I saw actually lots of small families, they're traveling. Otherwise the village is empty. Oh yeah, there is one thing. In each village or city there is a Hotel de Ville, which I thought it's a hotel. It's not a hotel, it's a public thing, it's a public institution where you can finish some things regarding to your paperwork, or if you need some help in a city or village or town. Oh yeah, there is another thing. I really like wines, as you know. I was thinking, should I take wine or coffee? I know that tonight we're gonna drink wine, and actually I realized that I'm really sensitive to wine. So I'm not allergic, but I'm sensitive. Every time I drink wine, my legs are kind of, I don't feel them. So that's terrible. I love wines. Okay, since the restaurant didn't work, the one that I wanted to go, there is another one. It's fully booked, so looks like I'm gonna stay hungry. But there is a few more spots, and like hopefully I will find some empty spot for me, because I'm really hungry. There is always option B, pâtisserie. Bonjour. It's very cute. They give you a little cloud with explanation what is the dish of the day. Okay, I ordered 6 snails because this is the specialty of the place, and Chablis Grand Cru, which is should be one really good wine. Okay, maybe I should learn how to use it before. I guess you get this one and you get this one. I'm just afraid it's gonna pop up. It's kind of looks chewy, but maybe it's not. Actually reminds me of seafood, like a seafood, a little bit chewy. They also put a little bit of some pesto. It looks like it's pesto, so it's quite Mediterranean style. When you order Chablis, that's usually Chardonnay, right? I think this place is quite cute. Actually, looks more like a hippie style with lots of different details. I'll try to show you a little bit.
Okay, this looks very interesting. I thought it's gonna be seafood, but it's not seafood. But it looks like from my grandma's cuisine. The sauce is a little bit different. It looks a little bit grainy, like there is a mayo and mustard and some greenery. I don't know, is it lettuce or spinach or anything? I'll try it now, actually. Yeah, mustard and mayo. Cornichon or pickles. It's gonna be really juicy. While the carrots looks like it's steamed or cooked, like in a soup. Plain nothing, but you don't need too much. I noticed something like a big difference from New Zealand. In New Zealand, if you just push to vegetables or something, it doesn't have the same taste like in Europe. I think it's about the soil. And the potato looks plain as well. Yeah, really simple. Actually, it looks very healthy. You just add a little bit of unhealthy sauce, and it's gonna be really fine. I think this is one of the rare toilets I need to do a review. Look at this. Stylish. And it's
Alright, the lunch was really good actually.
so the environment in a cafe was cute.
So it's 2 o'clock. Hopefully it's supposed to open the museum that I wanted to show you. Though I think my battery is getting off and the charger in the car, I don't know, is it about my phone or is it about the car? Anyway, I don't have a camera with me. I think I already mentioned in previous post that my camera is broken, so I don't have camera, just a phone, and the charger doesn't work. So wish me luck to capture a little bit of museum for you. I still need to do the shopping. What do you like to eat for your birthday dinner? I had quite a range of different treats and cuisines. Thinking how is it to be 44 years old. What's your feeling against that? Let's do some AC and see you hopefully in the museum.
It's interesting.
Otherwise, it's really cute. And the entrance definitely shows the soil.
Souvenir Passion. This is really cool spot, and I'm kind of alone in this museum. It's not so huge, but it's kind of good enough because it sings about a wine. First floor, you can see there is a short video about the disease. Is this one? You have video through the years what's happening with the wine, how they do with the vines, how they prune, how they clean it, how they treat it throughout the year. And then now actually there is a cinema where I can see some video, I guess, I don't know. Probably is in French as well, but I start getting some words and I get the idea, especially because I worked in a winery a little bit, so I have an idea what they're talking about, so I can understand a little bit. So let's see it. Okay, this guy just scared me. I thought it's somebody. It's funny, as soon as I enter to the cinema, even if it was empty, there is a doll maid sitting in the corner. It scares me so much. The video is good because mostly everything is showed visually, so even if you don't know French, you can get it, the context. Sometimes they put on English. It's about the region, the appellation, and then the vineyards and the areas, how they call it, etc., etc. Also shows what's happened throughout the year, but shorter version. That is freezing at some point, and how they need to warm up the soil and everything. And looks like it's quite old-fashioned. And yeah, it's really nice actually. I really enjoyed it. It's concise and it's short, and it shows nicely what's the point, how you do whole the process of making wine, going through fermentation, racking and filtration in the end, and bottling, and it's kind of in a short segments in the picture. Look at that guy as well. Oh my god, they're scary. And then yeah, you can see actually how they make wine, but in shorter version, so it's more interesting for people who are not into like more technical things, more technical sides of the winemaking, but at least you had an idea how does it works. But I noticed that lots of wines it's served in a smaller glasses, which I'm not really fan of. I really like larger glass for the wine. I don't know, when they give me a little one, I'm like I feel, I don't want to say. It's must visit spot. It's cute, especially even if you are with a kid. Like, it's really interesting and quite creatively made. Oh, this is the vineyard. Actually, it shows how they're going with the tractor. Let me show you. Now it's time to do some shopping and take a shower, make dinner, then pick up Sophie and have some nice dinner. See you later. Can you believe I'm 44? 44. Like, I remember when I was a kid and they said, oh, this woman is 40 years old. I was like, oh, that's old woman. Now everybody told me, oh, you're young. I'm not young. That's an old woman, but in a good years. And now they say I can do some wine tasting. Très bien.
Un vin ou plusieurs?
Plusieurs.
Rosé, oui ou non?
Non. Et verre d'eau?
Il fait chaud.
Oui, merci. Bien. Je suis avec ma fille apprendre français.
Bon, ça va déjà.
Bonne chose pour moi.
Ça va déjà.
Oui, c'est très difficile, c'est intéressant. 19?
19.
Okay. I'm getting better. Okay guys, I don't know is it because it's my birthday, but I got a Chablis petite glass, a little glass, and I'm really happy with my experience. Enjoy the wine, and I had a chat on French a little bit. My French is rust, but yeah, you have to start somewhere, right? Okay, it's dinner time, so I picked some wine. I'm not sure, I still don't know how to choose, except to pay a lot and choose the Premier Cru or Grand Cru wine. So I took something that it's not expensive because I'm curious to try good but not expensive wine. This was around 5 euros and it's Chateau Le Gréby, Bordeaux Supérieur. That's how I understand. It's 2018, to be honest. My battery died on the phone, so I couldn't check. It was a good year at the time in Bordeaux. So this is wine for tonight. Actually, I'm not preparing any special dinner. I took the frozen noodles because I love that with the chicken. Lots of sweets, but the different one, and cheeses. I just wanna have a little bit of everything, and that's how I like it most of the time. And wine, and what else do you need? And fromage, a little bit, just a little bit of everything. So we don't overeat. I don't like when I overeat. I really like when I eat a little bit, but really tasty food.